How does that go on her face? Raise.
Babe, what are you doing?
And there we go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan. This is my
Favorite person in the world, Jordan.
This is my boyfriend. He's gonna be doing my makeup today. I just got my Sephora package. I got all new stuff in here, stuff that I've never even used before. So we are gonna test it out today, and I thought who better to test it out with than my boo. And I also gave him free range of all of my palettes for eyeshadow as well, because I didn't buy any in the new Sephora. So
On that note,
this box is literally full with products. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Jordan, 6'7".
And explain the look that you're going for today.
I'm just going for a very modest look today.
Modest.
I don't know what that means. I'm just gonna try and replicate what she usually does. I think I'll be able to kill it.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna start with the Too Faced foundation, because I think foundation is a good place to start. Do I use a sponge? Yeah. Okay. How do I do this? So, I'm gonna be using the blotting technique. Do I go right up to your eyeball? It's kind of fun. It's like painting. In the Born This Way shade. Is that the shade?
No.
The shade is medium to full.
No, babe.
I don't know.
The bottom.
Oil free.
No.
The warm nude, clear. Just a little bit there, a little bit there.
Did you wash your hands?
Looks pretty good, hey? You need to remove some from your lips. The next step.
Oh, thank God. No.
Here.
I'm good. I'm happy. Yeah, it looks great.
What am I doing? Oh, I'm highlighting now. No, definitely. A MAC 286 SE. My Fendi Shady Biz highlighter. What was that? Do I wet it first? Oh, okay. It's not done yet, okay? Right now I'm highlighting your jawline and your cheekbone. I think that's what I'm not sure. Back to the highlighting. Fill. Okay, cheekbones. Great technique. Yes. Blot, blot, blot. Blot, blot, blot. Whoop. Voila. Get these nice and close to the face. 3 blush palettes here. We're gonna go this one.
Okay.
With the the baddie on my block. This is huge.
Should use that brush for blush.
Okay. The technique here is called blushing. So is the purpose of this to put it inside the highlight? Oh. I think I put a little bit too much blush. Look at the camera. Oh God. I'm trying to think of my next step. What the heck is this thing? What is this? Oh, mascara. 24-hour brow setter, not mascara. Oh yes. And your eyebrows were wild before I came along.
Oh, right.
This is what I like to call the gluing technique.
There's so much glue in my eyebrows that I can't.
Oh wow, those are slicked back. Primer. Is this supposed to go on already? Where does contour go on? Contour, what am I contouring? Why is it? Voila. What does this look like? How does that go on her face? Is that for your lips? It says contour. Oh, eye pencil. Long-term lip plumper. How does that work? Damn girl. Okay. Of course, look up.
I'm so scared.
We'll stop moving. I'm doing this left hand. You flinched, that was huge.
Because you keep getting closer to my eyeball every
I need to
time.
get the bases of the lashes.
Wow, those lashes are good.
We're gonna do a little flick. Because Josh, a lot of flick.
I don't even want to open up my eyes because I'm terrified.
Eyeshadow. I'm using the Naked 2 Urban Decay. We are going to use the Booty Call. If you look at me,
Would you still date me? If I did look like this?
yeah. Now the Kylie Jenner setting spray. Oh my. This is so annoying. Yeah, you get it. I'm sure you already know this stuff. Just a few little sprays. One more.
Put that away. Okay, what else do you need to do? Babe, what are you doing?
This doesn't look expensive enough. We use some Tom Ford. Oh, perfect. Oh, that looks great. Lip liner, red. Ta-da!
Are you done?
I think so.
Oh. Oh wow, the flick. What is this? Babe, I love it.
Good. No. I'll get my pen.
Yeah. I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. He tried, and that's all that matters. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. Stay tuned for more from us, and thanks for watching.
Thank you.